Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. I've been noticing a little bit of moisture coming in my sandblaster and my plasma cutter, so I thought, well, it's time to drain some water out of the air compressor. And of course, I'm going to show you a picture of it here. It's quite a challenge to get to that darn thing. As you can see, you know, it's a pretty small opening and have to get under there and open the valve. Well, of course, first time you try to do it, it's supposed to look like that under there. This is what it looked like after I got done getting it out. So of course I went and bought a new one. But then I also went down to the local hose shop, had them make me this hose. What we got here is just a 90 fitting. And then on this other end, we're just gonna put that guy in there. So that should make it easier to get in and out. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble that and then I'll show it to you when it's done. Okay, so I got it installed. Before I put the compressor back down on the pallet, I thought I'd get down here and see if we could get a visual of what's underneath here. As you can see, I put the street L in there and then connected the hose to it, then brought it out, put the drain cock on it. So we'll set it down, anchor it down, and then show you how we're gonna use it. Okay, so here it is all installed. We'll go ahead and pull it out. There's the valve. Now I'll be able to just drop it in a bucket like that and drain any moisture out into a tub so it won't make a mess all over the floor anymore. And then when we're done with that, we'll just stuff it back under there so that it's out of the way and we won't have any damage to it. Hopefully that'll help me be a little more regular at draining the moisture out of my tank. I know they make automatic drain valves, which are pretty cool, but they're a little spendy for me, so we'll just go with this for now, and eventually maybe I'll do an automatic. Thanks for watching.